To begin with, sir, there's ongoing mass migration of the farmers towards the non-agricultural sectors. The reasons are many, beginning from over-dependency on monsoon, meager income, high debt, etc. Also, the upcoming generation does not want to become a part of agricultural activities for the same reason. Do you think India's food security can be guaranteed if this keeps going for long?
It's a common perception among a large number of people that if number of farmers in India get reduced, it will pose a threat to our food security. In fact, it is other way around. But I will first come to your question that farmers are moving in mass out of agriculture.
Yes,
I feel that we need to distinguish between what we call developmental migration and distress migration.
yes,
That people are moving out because there are better opportunities available to them. Second is that people do not want to move out, but they are not able to meet both ends. They are not able to earn enough in agriculture. There is a distress. So,
yes,
because of distress, they are moving. For growth and progress of any society, the development migration must be encouraged.
yes,
And distressed migration must be addressed squarely. In case of India, the problem is that we have too many farmers. We have too much of labor in agriculture. In fact, in some way, it is an indicator of underdevelopment. More developed an economy, more advanced an economy, lower is the share of labor that will be working in agriculture.
yes,
In, unfortunately, in the case of India, it is not failure of agriculture. It is failure of non-agriculture to attract more and more people out of agriculture. If I give you one example, that China, with which we often compare ourselves,
yes,
there the share of agriculture in total economy is now less than 8%, and percent of workforce engaged in agriculture out of total workforce is
yes,
only 18%. And China produces, I think, more than double the food we are producing.
yes, sir, indeed.
And if you look at the economy which are more developed than China, you will just find that less than 5% of the workforce work in agriculture. So if farmers are moving out of agriculture as a development process, that should be encouraged, that should be promoted. This does not pose any kind of threat to food security of the country, because we all know that we have 86% farmers with land holding less than 2 hectares.
Seriously,
Many of them, majority of them, are not viable. In fact,
yes,
sometime back I did a calculation that if size of holding is below, I think that figure was 0.5 hectare or something like that. Exact
yes,
I don't remember.
yes,
Then the income earned out of agriculture will always keep them below poverty.
look at it.
So I think that we need to do so many things for betterment of farming sector. But to lament this fact that if farmer leave agriculture, there will be threat, some sort of threat to our food security or to our agriculture. This is misplaced. This is not true. But again, I would like to emphasize that those who are leaving agriculture because of distress, they should not end up living in ghettos in the urban areas. So we
Yes,
should see to it that we have better opportunities, living conditions, better wage rate for those who are moving out of agriculture.